Beneath Croatia's stunning coastline lies a hidden world of history. Tunnels and bunkers, remnants of a time when fear loomed large. These Cold War relics, once silent sentinels, now tell tales of survival. From island fortresses to mountain hideouts, each site is a time capsule. Untouched and mysterious, they hold an eerie beauty. Sunlight filters through cracks, illuminating forgotten spaces. What was built for conflict now stands as a testament to resilience. These bunkers remind us of the delicate balance between peace and war. As we explore, we uncover echoes of a past waiting to be told.